on here quickly because I wanted just to say a couple of things. When I shoot my videos, it is just a one-time shoot and that's it. I am not a slave to the camera. I don't then look at the camera and then go back and go, oh, that's not perfect, I need to do it again. No, I check the camera when I get back or when I even start editing it, which can be some days later. So it really is what you see is what you get. There is no perfect, especially when working with nature, animals or children. So imperfect is only what the perception is, really. So these are probably less than graceful of my normal videos. I really wanted to be honest. There's some waterfalls that have been new for me and I've not known the depth of the water. I've not known, you know, the flow of the water or how slippery the rocks are or where the rocks are underneath. So I've been a little kind of careful and cautious. So you could say that my cold exposures and cold dips are literally the safest, most extreme thing I'll ever do. Really, I wanted to keep it in the essence that I do these videos for me, from me, and the creativity and the clarity is what I share with you guys. So I hope you enjoy. Quickly, whilst I remember, that I've not been putting the heating on at night or during the night, because the heating, now I've had the extension on the van, the heating doesn't really heat up, it just heats a different part of it, just heats the mattress or the clothes that I've got in storage. So it doesn't really heat the room, so I need to get a little extension to get that fixed. So just recently I've been sleeping in like 6 degrees, 3 degrees, 1 degree. So I'm already cold when I wake up, but I'm very toasty under my duvet, and then I get up into a really cold van. And sometimes I think the last thing I want to do is get into cold water, but that's the mindset thing. I really have learned more about mindsets than anything else with the cold, because the mindset has really given me spirituality, it's really given me an emotional connection, but really leaning into the stretch of what can bring you joy, creative clarity, a new sensation, the critic mind and things like that. So I stretch into all those 360 and more, because that's what mindset means to me. It's not a defined answer, but it's more of a stretch in, and it really is a process that keeps revealing itself every time you visit the word mindset. So there we are. I do believe there might be snow on the tops there. Not surprised, because it was hailing yesterday, or sleet, and it's still 1 degree. So I look forward to creating more videos for you guys. Again, this is one take. Maybe I talked too long, maybe I haven't talked enough, but there we are. looking back at those videos, I'm probably I felt like the character of Bridget Jones going down the fire pole, or Miranda Hart, a comedian here in the UK, being slightly awkward with the whole thing. But there you go, that's nature. She is merciless, and I enjoyed being in her company and totally respected her, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.